Hi students, welcome to Avimon online class for 12th mathematics. Now see next sum, example 12.12. Write the statement in each word corresponding in negation P, P and Q, P or Q and Q or negation P, where P is the statement P is what? It is a cold. It is cold. And Q is, it is a raining. It is a raining. That is two simple statements. Solution. First one, we can write this symbolic form. Write the statement of this negation P. Negation means a not statement. So you can use it is not a cold. It is not cold. Negation P is what? It is not a cold. We put not without negation. And the next P and Q. Okay, and means we conjunction word. Okay, conjunction word joining these two simple statement. Simple sentence. Okay, it is a cold and rainy. And then same third one, P or Q. Here disjunction word is R. It is a cold or rainy. Okay, and the next third one is what? Q or negation P. First we have write Q statement. Q statement, it is a cold. Here R, it is not cold. Okay, it is a raining or it is not cold. That is the very simple one, students. Same model, exercise 12.2, first sum. Let P, state the sentence what? P, Jupiter is a planet. And Q, the statement, the simple statement Q is what? India is an Iceland. Be any two simple sentence. These two are any simple two sentence. Give verbal sentence describing each of the following statements. We have to describe the following statements. Okay, number one, negation P. Number two, P and negation Q. Number three, negation P or Q. And then fourth one is P conditional to negation Q. And the next fifth one is P biconditional to Q. Okay, these five questions we have straight sentence. Okay, solution number one. So here P means what? Jupiter is a planet. Q means India is an Iceland. Okay, India is an Iceland. Okay, now first negation P. We use negation statement, put not. So Jupiter is not a planet. That is the negation statements. P, that means negation P. And then second one is what? P and negation Q. So first will be the P statement, Jupiter is a planet. Q is also already India is an Iceland. Negation Q is what? India is an Iceland. So what the word conjunction and? So we have to use conjunction P and negation Q. How to write this? First P statement, Jupiter is a planet. Conjunction word is and. India is not an Iceland. That's the simple. Okay. Next third one, negation P or Q. So Jupiter is a planet is a P. Not if you use not, you got negation P. And then Q right there. Negation P or Q. Jupiter is not a planet. And then disjunction word is R. India is an Iceland. We can put the Q statements. Next fourth one. P biconditional to Q. P conditional to negation Q. Conditional statement, if you use the word if then word is followed. Okay, P conditional to Q. First we write P statement. How to write? If P statement, Jupiter is a planet. Then use then symbol, then. Negation Q, use or not. India is not an Iceland. That is the fourth one. The next fifth one is what? P biconditional to Q. Biconditional to Q means if and only if. First we write P statement, Jupiter is a planet. If and only if India is an Iceland. India is Iceland. Which is the fifth Students, now see second question. Exercise 2.2 second question. Write each of the following sentence in simple form using statement variable P and Q. So first subdivision, 19 is not a prime number and all the angles of triangle are equal. Second, 19 is a prime number or all the angles of triangle are not equal. Third one, 19 is a prime number and all the angles of triangle are equal. Fourth one is 19 is not a prime number. So solution, first we take P is what? 19 is a prime number. And then Q is all the angles of triangle are equal. Now write symbolic form. Here use not. That is the P. Here use. That means negation P. Here and symbol and another one is Q. And then second one is 19 is a prime number. That is P. Or symbol. All the angle of triangle are not equal. So negation Q. And then third one is 19 is a prime number. That is P. Here and symbol. All the angles of triangle are equal. So Q. P and Q. Fourth one is 19 is not a prime number. So here is not. So negation P. Which is the answer for second subdivision, students. Second question, students. Okay, thank you.